knows what's gonna happen today? All right. Okay. Ow. Oh, no. Oh, God.
What is that song?
Oh.
Whoa. You know what? Guys, let's go this way. Let's not get involved. Come on, here we go.
Oh. Hey. Tampon Man. Right, remember at the...
Hey!
Hi.
Hi there.
We were...
Yes. Yeah, of course. Hi. It's actually Bradley.
Oh,
Yeah.
Bradley.
Yeah, these are my daughters. This is Rachel, and this is Vicky.
Hi. Hi.
This is...
Sandy.
With 2 sons.
Nice.
Oh,
Yes,
sons.
right.
You all right?
You know what? No. I'm kind of in a little bit
Okay.
of a situation.
I gotcha.
It's
Girls,
so silly.
do me a favor. Why don't you run and go find and see if someone has a key for
There's
this?
like a
Yeah.
security guard in front,
Right.
sure. Just so it probably looks kind of suspicious. I'm wondering how I got into this predicament.
No, not really.
You see what happens
Oh,
every
yeah,
time I
yeah.
try to get up? It's caught.
It's not coming down any further. All right.
Yeah.
Well, let me see what I can do. Here, just put your wrist over this way.
Ow, careful.
What?
It's a Miranda Collins bracelet. Just,
Oh.
yeah. Ow.
You.
What did you do to your leg?
Another, hip hop related casualty. Yeah. What about you? Why are you here? You leaving the psychiatric wing?
No. My son had an asthma attack.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry about that. Is he okay?
Yeah, he's good, all back to normal. So I'm getting him this candy.
Yeah, I gotcha. We'll get it.
Oh, bend
There,
it, bend
here.
it.
I'm gonna pull it down. There.
Down. Woo!
Ta-da.
Awesome. Wait,
Free.
get that thing down here.
This thing?
Get this skittle. That's what I was.
This
That's
is
what I
what's
did it in
gonna
the first place.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Ah!
Hey.
Yeah.
All right.
That's amazing.
Nicely done.
Get it. Wait. Oh, you know what? While we're in here.
Okay, if anybody catches us, we'll say you're stealing candy for sick kids.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I owe you one.
No. Random act of kindness.
No, well, thank you. Do you need a ride?
No, we have a car.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Of course. And I'm like thinking, I got my kids, my ex-husband, his new wife. It's... Come on! Seriously? All right. It's one really long train. Jesus.
I need to shave my legs again quickly.
I'm here to show Julia. Justify.